Benefits of using large tiles for your house. Dear friends, if you are interested in buying tiles for your home, an office, a renovation or any type of new construction, you have surely asked yourself the question, small format or large format? Frequently, when we are in the phase of choosing tiles, we tend to see ourselves highly undecided about what kind of tile to choose. Any type of porcelain tile will be the best choice, without any doubt, to pave any surface, interior or exterior. However, large-scale porcelain tiles offer a series of added benefits that you can benefit from if you choose them for your new interior decoration project. Make a modern statement. Large tile is perfect for modern interiors where clean lines and right angles rule. Call attention to the flooring material. If the tile is larger, the material it's made from can truly shine. Make the room look larger. Large tiles have the potential to make small rooms look bigger. Not only does it foster an uncluttered look, large rectangular tile can draw the eye across the room, creating long lines that visually lengthen your interior. Delineate a specific area of the room. For example, try using large tile for the main bathroom flooring and smaller tile for the shower area. Clean less grout. Bigger tile means less grout, which means less time spent cleaning grout. Be sleek. There's something sleek about large tile. Maybe it's the clean, uninterrupted break of a large square or rectangular surface. Create contrast. As with small floor tile, you can use large floor tile to create a contrast between dark and light. Large tile, however, is perfect for creating an uncluttered look, which can be a powerful contrast with shelves and counters holding smaller items in rooms such as the kitchen. Coordinate with the walls. Sure, you can coordinate small floor tile with small wall tile, but look how crisp and seamless larger tile can be as it unifies a room. Plus, remember what we just said about less grout to clean? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.